He is an American singer, songwriter, musician, record producer, actor, former semi-professional basketball player from the Illinois. He has been credited with helping to redefine R&B and hip-hop, earning nickname as a King of R&B, the King of Pop Soul. He married Aaliyah on August 30, 1994, but their marriage was annulled on February 7, 1995. He married Andrea in 1996, but they divorced in 2009. He has 3 children named Jaya, John, and Robert. Jay Kelly, who was born biological female and named Jaya. Transgender child of Kelly and Andrea. Daughter John Kelly, American singer. Sister Teresa Kelly. Her mother, Joanne, was professional singer who raised her children in the Baptist church. His brother Kerry is a singer. His current estimated net worth around $1 million. He is the third of 4 children with an older sister and brother and a younger brother. He has been awarded and nominated for multiple awards during his career. His awards includes Guinness World Record and 3 Grammy Awards. The identity of his father, who has always been absent in Kelly's life, is not publicly known. His family lived in the Ida B. Wells Homes public housing. He began singing in the church choir at age 8. He was 8 years old when he had his first girlfriend, Lulu. As a teenager, he began street performing under the Chicago Transportation Authority L-Track. He was extremely close to his mother, who passed away from the cancer in 1993. In 1996, he married Andre, his former backup dancer and mother of 3 children. He built a house in Olympia Fields and moved in. Andrea filed a restraining order against Kelly in September 2005. His Olympia Fields house became the subject of foreclosure lawsuit in 2011. He has contributed to various US and international charities through donations and the proceeds of special performances. In 2003, he donated $50,000 to the Texas Military Family Foundation. He has also been in charity events in effort to bring awareness for the fight against cancer. He is considered to be one of the most successful R&B artists of the last 25 years. He is also one of the best-selling music artists in the US with over 30 million albums sold. He has sold over 75 million records worldwide, making him the most successful R&B male artist of 1990s. He is the 55th best-selling music artist in the US with over 32 million album sales. He was named by the Billboard as the top R&B hip-hop artist between 1985 to 2010.